Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing the 10-minute challenge again. This time Lily's going to do my makeup.
I'm going to try and not panic like you did. So same rules apply last time. We have all the makeup set out and everything, so we're not digging through anything. But yeah, full thing, full drag, eyebrows, contour, wig, and eyelashes. The Liliana and Maria show. Meow! Alright, so Maria, I'm gonna start the timer. Hang on, I do have to sneeze. Hang on.
Okay, ready? And go.
Oh my god. Sorry if I hurt you in any way. Oh dear.
Sorry, there's a lot of eyebrows.
Yeah, mine too. I gotta do my eyebrows.
You're putting a lot on.
Oh, I like your sponge. This stuff just... Sorry, it fell all over your lips.
Cool.
Yes.
I like getting my makeup done though.
Yeah.
I don't know about drag version and 10 minutes.
These eyebrows?
Okay, it's not as relaxing.
Oh, I'm sorry. Beating the face. Perfect. Okay. Did you give me a... There it is. I don't know if I could be a makeup artist.
I can't.
Well, I know that looks towards me a little bit. Imagine being a makeup artist for a celebrity. I'd feel like so like self-conscious. Be like, oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
Please don't yell at me.
Because they're prettier than you.
And then you gotta make them look even better.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, something went horribly wrong with your eyebrows, so hang on.
They're not covered.
There's several different colors happening. That's just gonna have to be good enough with that one. I'm just throwing on this MAC powder because it just doesn't seem like it's set not to go over it. Okay. Contour. Accents didn't really do anything. I'm sorry, is this stuff not working anymore? Why?
I don't know.
Oh,
I didn't contour your nose.
I don't even know if that did anything.
5 minutes, 18 seconds.
Okay, everyone calm. Wow. Go over your eyebrow, turns into a different fucking color.
I don't know why I do this little finger thing when I can't find anything. I'm like,
Where are you at? Oh, girl. Oh my, bring back the 90s. Oh god. The other side's gonna be a disaster because I had a good... Oh, Lord. Something happened. Oh.
My brows feel really high. And holy fuck, I saw a glimpse of my brows.
I saw a glimpse. I feel like this took a dark turn.
There's a hair on that. I feel it.
Yeah. It's from the makeup wipe. It's all good, people. It's all good. Oh, no! Liner. Oh, dear. Mm-hmm. Just as I suspected. Terrible. I might be able to fly. Oh, gee. Okay.
Yeah.
I like got scared. Oh no, you laughed and now I hit the bottom.
Oh no.
It's okay, happy accident. I'm gonna do what queens these days are doing.
She managed to find inside in my eyeball.
Sorry! I'm a terrible person.
Imagine when we do this blindfolded.
Oh my god, 30 fucking seconds. 30 fucking seconds. 30.
think my eyes are glued shut too.
Oh no, I ripped it off. I ripped it off. Okay.
Time's up.
I can't.
I can't even see. Alright. Whoa. That's super zoomed in. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh.
I feel bad. I did this to Tommy too. I should not do eyebrows. Oh my god, eyelashes.
Sober. This is her sober.
The lips are not bad.
Your lips were a different story.
Yeah, I almost forgot about the wig in the last 30 seconds. Oh lord.
Alright, so this is the final look.
Don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, share all our videos, follow us on our Instagram and Facebook account at
Yep.
LilianaMariaShow. Comment, tell us what you think. 10 minutes is not that long. Thank you for watching.
And remember, if you can't laugh at yourself,
How the hell do you live?